Hi everyone, welcome back to Ms. Craftsalots Lair. I am Barbie and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I have another simple stamping, if I can get it out of my mouth, card. And I'm going to bring out my scrap paper because we're going to be stamping off. This is really the epitome of a simple stamping card. All I have here is a piece of crumb cake. This one is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, and it is, or I'm sorry, 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4.25. If I can, wow, man. I'm gonna blame the weather. We have a cold, rainy day going on today, so I am totally gonna blame the weather. Stamp set today, we are using the Varied Vases. Now this stamp set is one that is set to retire here at the end of May. It actually is going to be the 2nd, I believe, of June. And just going into that a little bit, last week I got this beauty in the mail. Look at her, so pretty. I cannot show you what is coming, or what is new in the catalog, but I can tell you what is going to be leaving from this I can tell you what's leaving from this catalog by going down to the descriptions below. There is a link to go to the last chance items, and one of those items, like I said, is the Varied Vases stamp set. Mixed emotions on this one leaving. I liked it, but then it became old to me. So, yeah. But that being said, I was going to use it one last time in a video today. So we are going to be using this flower, and then this particular wisp. I don't even know what you would call it. And then the thanks sentiment. And I am going to be using Stays On today. I was going to be using my memento, but I found out that my memento needs re-inking, and I didn't order, like I thought, the memento ink re-inker, so I have to put that on my next order, to say the least. So, Stays On. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the flowers and stamp them along the bottom, as close to the bottom as possible. And that is going to come in to play here when I bring in the other wisp. You will see why we wanted to kind of keep them down a little bit. And kind of stamp them around and stamp off the paper. I hope that everyone had a beautiful Mother's Day. Ours was kind of chilly. And then I am going to go ahead and take the, I'm not even sure what you would call these. They're almost like buds, but that's what I'll go with. I'll call them the buds. These guys are going to be stamped a little higher. And I'm going to try to do this without getting my head in the picture because y'all don't want to see my tinsel. And this gives you a little bit of a chance to stamp up higher. Oh my goodness, this does not want to work for me today. There we go. But you get the deal. If it's not stamping quite as dark as I want it to, you're at least getting the idea of what you're looking for. And this is a super fast card as well, so if you need to make a thank you card in a hurry, or you can switch out the sentiments and turn it into whatever you want it to be, or whatever you need it to be. Go ahead and take out the thanks sentiment. And plop that down over here. And there we go. A finished card. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this project, please like, share, subscribe, and watch more. You can find links to my Stampin' Up! Store, blog, dimensions, and the product list in the description below. Until next time.